Hey, welcome to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and today I want to show you this beautiful album that I made. It's made with the Simple Stories I Am collection, and this is the front, and I just stuck some of the bits and pieces that came with the collection. Beautiful collection, ladies. Beautiful. And that's the spine. And there's the back. This does have 6 pages, and the spine is 2.5. And this is 11 by 9. Now this album is full of pockets, ladies. I mean full of pockets. So if you like pockets, this is going to be a great album for you to make. This album is called Life is an Adventure. I do have the tutorial up on my website. It's scrappinitup.com, and you could hop over on there and purchase the tutorial if you would like. It's a very nice album, ladies. Very nice. Okay, so you open it up, and this paper line is gorgeous, gorgeous. So here, and I'm not done with it. I was so excited to show you guys, you know, what I've been making. So it's not finished. So I'll just warn you right off the bat. So you got tags here, and I think I'm going to cut a couple of more and put 2 in each pocket. Okay, so these tags, you can journal on them, put pictures on them. Like I said, this album is just full of pockets, ladies. Full of pockets. Okay, so you have that. And then we have that flips. Look at that, it's beautiful. This paper is just, I can't say it enough, it's amazing. Then we have some photo mats here, or photo mat flips. Then we have a pocket here, and I need to make, here's one. Okay, and I want to decorate these and put tabs on them, but I'll just show you what it would look like. But I wanted to share this with you guys, and I need to get it done. So then this flips. Now I gotta scoot my album over. Sorry, ladies. So you have a really nice spread there. Okay, then this flips up, ladies. Let's see if I can, like that. Sorry, I'm having to move the album all over. Okay, now you have 2 stackable pockets here. So, like that. And so when you fold that down, so then your things, your photo mats would hold that flap down. Okay? And this is a belly band. So whatever you make for these will also fit in this belly band underneath. Okay? There are 3 page styles to this album. And so we've done 2 in each one. So then you have a pocket on the back side, ladies. Okay. And then here's another pocket. Yep, and I'm going to use ribbon throughout this album. So then you can use these again for right here. I mean, this album really is full of pockets, ladies. I mean, full of pockets. Okay, so you have a pocket here and a pocket here, ladies. And these 2 mirror each other. I don't know if I can get them in camera or not. Nope. Ain't that beautiful? This paper is just, and then you have a flip here, okay? And then you have a flip here. Now this photo album will hold at least 200 pictures, ladies. This is a nice big album. So then you have another pocket here. And again, you have a pocket here, ladies. Okay. So here's this. Here's the photo mats. Okay, and it holds that flap down so the flap doesn't flap all over the place. And then that flips up. And then you have another photo mat. Okay. So these just go right back in here. And then you've got your belly band underneath, ladies. Just like that. Okay. And then you have another pocket here, ladies. And another pocket here. Okay. And then you've got a photo mat that fits inside this pocket. Like I said, this album is full of pockets. So if you like pockets, this album is going to be for you. And I did use just one paper pack for this. That's why you see a lot of cardstock in here, because I wanted to do it with just one paper pack. Okay, that's all I had. I didn't have another one. So that flips. Now here's again our tags that you can journal on. Okay. And then it flips, and then you have that. So that flips. Okay, that is my album share for the Life is an Adventure album with the Simple Stories I Am collection. So if you would like to purchase the tutorial, hop over to scrappinitup.com and pick up your tutorial. Okay, talk to you guys later. Keep scrapping. Bye-bye.